phone call time. Today I'm be calling KFC and telling them that there were bones in our boneless chicken. And making the prank call for us today is Leah.
Like every time.
Yeah, he's good at it. Except I'm good at the Chinese voice.
Yeah, she is.
Your Chinese food is ready.
We need to call Pizza Hut and do that. We need to call Pizza Hut and do Chinese food.
Speaking, how can I help you?
Hi, today I was eating at your KFC, and in the boneless chicken, I found a bone.
You said in the boneless chicken you found a bone?
Yes.
Well, give me 1 moment, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, give me 1 moment, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
And that was our prank phone call for today.